Did you know that there's a particular fruit that quietly impacts your morning wood, if you're a man? Yes, you read that right. Even though eating fruit can be good for you, there is one fruit out there that can completely derail your ability to get hard if you eat it regularly. Can you guess which one it is? Is it the A, apple, B, orange, C, grapefruit, or D, banana? Try to guess, then click on the video link in the description below and prepare to have your mind blown. This particular fruit impacts your virility because of the effect it has on your body's endothelial cells. These cells play a crucial role in maintaining healthy blood flow to the penis. We conducted extensive research and found a direct link between the regular consumption of this fruit and erectile dysfunction. But don't worry, there is one way to reverse the damage done to your body and regain your sexual vitality. Researchers have uncovered a potent tonic that is guaranteed to get you stiff in minutes. Click the video link in the description below to learn more about this incredible discovery and how it can transform your life. Don't let this fruit sabotage your manhood any longer. Take action today and reclaim your sexual confidence. Click the video link below and discover the solution that will revolutionize your intimate life. Don't wait, your virility is at stake. Discover the shocking fruit that impacts your morning wood, and learn about a potent tonic that guarantees to reverse the damage.